Let's face it, healthcare supply chains have been through the ringer. But what if there was a smarter, stress-free solution? I'm Heather Antis, supply chain analyst at LogiQuip. Over the past 5 years, we've seen it all. Global pandemics, raw material shortages, shipping delays, and unpredictable demand. The result? Back orders, stockouts, and a lot of stress for frontline teams. At LogiQuip, we're helping healthcare teams take back control with smart Kanban solutions, like our ParWire Fine Mesh Baskets with patented Kanban Flippers. This system creates a maintenance-free 2-bin setup that automates replenishment, so clinical teams can stay focused on patient care, and patients always have the supplies they need exactly when they need them. No more scrambling, no more guesswork, just reliable, efficient supply management. Visit LogiQuip.com to learn more.